am going to demonstrate how to use the massage therapy balls to release deeper into the side of your hip so that when you do your stretch for the outer thigh and the outside of your leg, the famous IT band, you're going to get a better release. So first of all, you will have already released your quadriceps, the front of the thigh, with your foam roller, focusing on more towards the edge, not on this side, but towards the edge where the thigh muscle meets that IT band. If you want to use the massage therapy balls to get a little deeper into your hip before you do the thigh stretch for the side of the leg, you take your 2 balls in a net, or you can just use 1 ball, and you literally place it right in the middle of that hip area, kind of in a diagonal pattern, and you're just going to roll side to side. It can be pretty intense, so you want to be careful not to do it too quickly, following all the rules of good technique to go nice and slow. Less pressure is better. There's a couple little things you can do to add more sensation. You can take this bottom leg and do little bicycles. Keep trying to breathe and relax as you're doing this. You can also do leg lifts up and down to help release those deeper muscles which are below the gluteus maximus, which is the big muscle on the outside. Or you could just simply lay on it, take deep breaths, exhale and relax into the surface. You can be up on your shoulder or you can be down on your side. Just find the place that's most comfortable for you where you can relax into the surface. When you're finished, it's a great time to move into your hip rotation stretch, which I'll show you when we do this